Hello? No? Okay, I'll tell you.
I do.
You do? What did you do?
I have the new score and the sum of the scores.
Very good. So we had 60, and then you're going to add the 23 and the 26 and the 17, and you're going to divide that by 6. So when I add 60 plus 23 plus 26 plus 17, I get 126 divided by 6, and that gives me 21. Okay? And I'm going to fix this on here because it says 5, it should say 6. Alright? And again, you can always go back to the video to take a look at this and what you're supposed to do if you get confused when you get to the question like that on Imagine Math.